Hi friends, in this video we will be discussing about the benefits of walking. Walking is totally free, easy, requires very little effort and benefits not only your physical health but also your mental health. Let's see what are the benefits. Welcome to my channel JK Talks. Please do subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Boosting effect on brain. A study at University of Kansas revealed how low impact aerobic exercises like walking prevent early onset of dementia and reduces the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. We know how sad is it going to get into that disease, forgetting our near and dear ones' faces, missing their emotions.
ఏమైంది సార్ తెలియలా ఇంటికా జ్ఞాపకం రావట్లేదు మన ఇంటికా సార్ రండి.
Over 35 million people around the world are suffering with Alzheimer's. Regular walking improves mental well-being by decreasing the stress. Endorphins gets released by CNS and pituitary glands, which are the key neurochemicals for the growth of neural blood vessels. Endorphins are natural painkillers produced by the body. Since endorphins act on the opiate receptors in our brain, they reduce pain and boost pleasure, resulting in a feeling of well-being. Number 2. Eyes. The habit of regular walking decreases the intraocular pressure, which in turn decreases the chances of developing glaucoma. Walking also strengthens visual cortex, which is called as visual processing center from eye to brain. Number 3. Heart. According to American Heart Association, walking and running at least for half an hour per day avoids coronary artery disease, and it decreases blood pressure, decreases the cholesterol level, improves the circulation. That means there are very less chances of getting heart attacks. Number 4. Lungs. Walking is an aerobic exercise which increases the blood flow, which leads to increased oxygen in blood, which in turn eliminates toxins from the body. Regular walking increases lung capacity and also work for betterment of immune system. Number 5. Diabetes. This is the most prevalent non-communicable disease in the world, which deteriorates the body in many ways. A habit of regular walking leads to increased use of blood sugar. In turn, pancreas will release decreased amount of insulin. Number 6. Digestion. At least half an hour per day of regular walking decreases the chances of developing colon cancer. Exercise makes improved digestion, increased bowel movements, which relieves constipation problem too. Number 7. Muscles and fitness. If you take 10,000 steps per day, which is equivalent to a good workout in gym, which makes the muscular system of the body toned and fit. Number 8. Bones and joints. Regular walking leads to more joint mobility, which prevents the loss of bone density, and thus there will be decreased risk of fractures, relieves pain, stiffness and inflammation of joints. Regular walking also prevents osteoporosis and bone loss. Number 9. Back pain. As walking is a low impact physical exercise with minimal effort, with regular walking there will be increased blood flow to spinal structure and there will be increased nutrients in soft tissues. If your posture is right, you look to be more taller than you are. Number 10. Calm and peaceful mind. Regular walking, especially in outdoors, makes your brain to be calmer by reducing stress, which relieves depression. So what is the FIT formula? What should be the frequency of walking? We should walk at least 3 to 5 times a week regularly. What should be the intensity? 3 to 5 km per hour will be good at optimal pace. What should be the duration? At least 30 minutes per day or 6,000 steps per day will be good enough. The key point to remember while walking is you should be able to talk without effort. Happy walking, have a better health and a better life. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.